Welcome to another transformative journey on ENLIGHTEN, where we explore the depths of the universe's wisdom. Today, we delve into the sacred blueprint that underpins everything in existence, not the man-made constructs bound by time, but the cosmic universal laws that guide us towards enlightenment and fulfillment. These laws aren't about control or punishment. Instead, they light our paths, shaping our futures while illuminating our present. Imagine your soul's perfect counterpart, your twin flame, out there somewhere, possibly feeling the same longing and separation you endure every day. Now, what if there's a way to not only find them but to accelerate your reunion? Dive into our special episode, where we unravel expert techniques from twin flame guides to bring you closer to your twin flame faster than you ever thought possible. Ready to bridge the gap between longing and reuniting? Click the link in the description and discover the path to your ultimate soul connection. Let's embark on this soulful journey together. We start with the law of divine oneness. Imagine the entire universe as a sea of infinite energy, and we are all part of this majestic whole. This law teaches us that every thought, every action, echoes across the cosmos, touching lives far beyond our own. By embracing this interconnectedness, we learn that an act of kindness or a harsh word doesn't stop with the person next to us. It ripples throughout the entire universe. As we embody this law, we adopt the essence of the golden rule. Treat others as you wish to be treated, recognizing that we are all one. Next, we explore the law of vibration. Everything around us, from the smallest particles to the vast galaxies, is in constant motion, vibrating at different frequencies. Your thoughts, your feelings, they're all part of this universal dance of vibrations. To attract positivity, wealth, or love, we must align our vibrations with those desires. This law teaches us to see ourselves not just as physical beings, but as dynamic energetic entities shaping our realities through the frequencies we emit. The law of correspondence states, "As within, so without." Your external world is a reflection of your inner state. If turmoil clouds your thoughts, your world seems chaotic. Conversely, inner peace brings tranquility to your surroundings. This powerful realization empowers us to sculpt our outer realities by fostering serenity and positivity within. The renowned law of attraction echoes a similar sentiment. We attract what we are, not merely what we want. This law transcends philosophy, embraced by ancient sages and modern thinkers alike. It insists that true desire, paired with belief in its realization, draws our deepest wishes into our lives through a magnetic pull of vibrational alignment. While visualization and positive thinking set the stage, the law of inspired action reminds us that dreams materialize through deliberate, inspired steps. This law doesn't advocate for forced efforts but for actions that arise from a genuine alignment with our desires and intuitions. Under the law of transmutation of energy, we understand that our thoughts and emotions are not ephemeral but potent energies that transform and shape our realities. This law is the cornerstone of the adage, "Thoughts become things," urging us to cultivate positivity actively. The law of cause and effect, or karma, teaches that our actions and intentions return to us, magnified. It's a cosmic justice system that ensures we reap what we sow, encouraging us to act with integrity and kindness. Linked closely to this is the law of compensation. It assures us that the universe compensates us in direct proportion to what we contribute to others, transcending monetary rewards to include love, joy, and peace. The law of polarity and the law of rhythm teach us about the dualities and cycles of life. They remind us that challenges come with opportunities, and life's ebb flows in a natural rhythm, urging us to embrace the swings and find balance in the contrasts. Now, the law of gender reveals the balance between the masculine and feminine energies within us, urging us to embrace both to achieve wholeness and harmony. By understanding and integrating these laws, we align ourselves with the universe's rhythm, easing our journeys and enriching our lives. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe and its laws on Enlighten, let's delve deeper into how we can actively integrate these principles into our daily lives, transforming not just our perspectives, but also our practical experiences. This journey into the cosmic laws is more than just an exploration. It's a guide to living a life in harmony with the universe. To truly live by the law of divine oneness, start by seeing the divine spark in everyone you meet. Recognize that each person is not separate from you but a part of the same universal fabric. This awareness transforms how we interact with others. For instance, when you communicate, do so with the intention of fostering unity and understanding. Each conversation becomes an opportunity to bridge the cosmic divide, reminding us of our shared humanity and divinity. Understanding the law of vibration can elevate how we approach our day-to-day feelings and actions. Start by observing your emotional responses. Are they lifting you higher or pulling you down? Consciously choose thoughts and activities that enhance your vibrational frequency. This could be as simple as listening to uplifting music, engaging in creative activities, or practicing meditation. These actions not only improve your personal frequency, but also have the potential to uplift those around you. The law of correspondence tells us that our external world reflects our internal state. To harness this law, begin with self-reflection. Examine your inner thoughts and feelings. Are they positive and empowering, or do they need a shift? This introspection can lead to significant changes in how you perceive and interact with the world. If you desire more harmony in your relationships, cultivate inner peace. If you seek abundance, foster a mindset of gratitude and possibility. To effectively use the law of attraction, clarity in what you desire is key. Visualize not just the end results, but also the steps involved in achieving them. Regular visualization strengthens your ability to attract what you want. Pair this with actionable steps that move you closer to your goals. For instance, if you aspire to improve your health, visualize yourself as healthy and vibrant, but also commit to daily practices like healthy eating and exercise. The law of inspired action compels us to move beyond daydreaming into doing. Align your actions with your goals. If you're seeking a new career opportunity, take inspired steps such as networking, updating your skills, or improving your resume. Each step should feel natural and exciting, not forced or fraught with anxiety. The law of transmutation of energy is particularly powerful when dealing with negative thoughts or emotions. Learn to recognize when negative patterns emerge and consciously choose to transform them into positive ones. This might mean replacing fears with affirmations of confidence or transforming jealousy into admiration and inspiration. Living by the law of cause and effect means being mindful of your actions and their potential repercussions. It encourages a life of integrity and mindfulness, where every action is considered for its broader impact on your life and the lives of others. Practice kindness, understanding, and generosity, knowing that these causes create effects of happiness and abundance in your life. This law encourages us to give freely and generously, without the immediate expectation of return. Engage in acts of service and generosity, knowing that the universe notes these actions and returns them in kind. This could be as simple as volunteering your time, sharing knowledge, or offering emotional support to those in need. The law of polarity teaches us to find balance and opportunity in life's contrasts. When faced with challenges, look for the inherent opportunities they present. This perspective helps us to navigate life's ups and downs more fluidly, finding growth and wisdom in every situation. To align with the law of rhythm, recognize and respect your own life cycles. There are times for action and times for rest. By tuning into your own natural rhythms and those of the world around you, you can better manage your energy and commitments, making the most of periods of productivity and resting during times of natural lulls. Next, embrace the law of gender by recognizing and balancing the masculine and feminine energies within yourself. Whether it's asserting yourself in a meeting, masculine energy, or nurturing a friend through a tough time, feminine energy, understanding and honoring these energies can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Continuing our exploration of the universal laws on ENLIGHTEN, let's delve further into practical applications and deeper insights that can transform not just our understanding but our daily living. These laws are not merely concepts to be understood. They are tools to be utilized, bringing us closer to a harmonious existence aligned with the cosmos. Embrace the law of divine oneness by practicing mindfulness in your interactions. Recognize that each person you encounter carries a piece of the universal puzzle. When you interact with others, do so with the awareness that you are engaging with a part of the infinite. This law teaches us to see beyond superficial differences, finding the underlying unity that connects us all. Implement daily practices such as gratitude or meditation to deepen this connection, reminding yourself regularly of our collective journey through existence. Enhancing your understanding of the law of vibration involves tuning into the subtle frequencies that govern your life. Start by creating environments that foster positive vibrations. This could include decluttering your living space, surrounding yourself with inspiring art, or even adopting pets that bring joy and liveliness into your home. Each element contributes to a higher vibrational living space, which in turn can elevate your mood and overall life experience. To effectively utilize the law of correspondence, engage in regular self-assessment exercises. Reflect on the external challenges you face and ask yourself what internal emotions or thoughts they might be mirroring. This law offers a powerful diagnostic tool for personal growth, helping you identify and modify internal conflicts that manifest in your external world. Use journaling or therapy to explore these reflections, turning insights into actionable changes. The law of attraction is about more than attracting what you desire. It's about becoming what you aspire to be. Enhance your practice by incorporating visualization techniques not just in private meditation, but also in active settings. For instance, if you're aspiring for a peaceful life, visualize calm and serenity in stressful situations. This active visualization helps to align your vibrational frequency with your desires throughout the day, not just during moments of quiet reflection. To truly live by the law of inspired action, integrate your actions with your inner guidance system. This might mean changing your approach to how you plan your day. Instead of rigid schedules, allow for periods where you can follow your intuition, perhaps taking a walk when you feel stuck or choosing spontaneous meetings with people who inspire you. This flexibility encourages actions that are not only necessary but inspired, leading to more fulfilling outcomes. Advanced application of the law of transmutation of energy involves recognizing not only negative thoughts, but also stagnant energy in your life. This might be outdated beliefs or unproductive routines. Actively seek to transform these energies into something vibrant and useful. For example, repurpose old ideas for new projects or turn routine tasks into opportunities for mindfulness and creativity. Deepen your engagement with the law of compensation by examining the balance of giving and receiving in your life. Ensure that you are not only giving to others but also open to receiving. Many people find it easier to give than to receive, but true harmony involves both. Practice accepting help, love, and support with grace, understanding that this balance is crucial for universal flow and your personal well-being. Explore the law of polarity by applying it to personal and professional challenges. When faced with difficulties, consciously identify the opposite or positive potential within the situation. This practice not only provides comfort but also opens up new pathways for problem solving and personal growth. For instance, if you encounter resistance in a project, look for opportunities in that resistance. Perhaps it's a chance to learn something new or to innovate in unexpected ways. Embrace the law of rhythm by sensing your activities with natural cycles. Pay attention to your body's rhythms and the rhythms of nature. Plan intensive tasks during your peak energy times and allow for rest during lower energy phases. Similarly, align your work with seasonal cycles, capitalizing on the natural ebbs and flows of energy throughout the year. If you're really enjoying today's content and want to show some extra support, consider sending a super thanks. Either by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots, it looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your super thanks not only helps us continue creating great videos, but also lets us know that you're finding value in what we're doing. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here and supporting our channel. Finally, the law of gender can be fully embraced by fostering an environment where both masculine and feminine energies are valued. In your workplace, encourage qualities like decisiveness and compassion equally. In personal relationships, allow yourself to express strength and vulnerability with equal ease. This balance not only enriches your interactions, but also promotes a more holistic approach to every aspect of life. By incorporating these laws into your daily practices, you not only enhance your personal well-being, but also contribute to a larger cosmic harmony. These laws offer a framework for understanding and navigating the complexities of life with wisdom and grace. As we continue to explore and apply these timeless principles, we empower ourselves to lead lives that are not only successful in the conventional sense, but deeply fulfilling and aligned with the universal order. Thank you for joining us on ENLIGHTEN. We hope this deep dive into the universal laws inspires you to reflect, integrate, and transform. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with these laws in the comments below. Together, let's continue to explore and embody the wisdom of the universe, creating lives that resonate with the highest frequencies of love, peace, and enlightenment.